Check out this 2012 Chevrolet Equinox. This is the set of wheels you've been looking for, with an efficient 4-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission. A premium sound system is just one of the benefits of owning this vehicle. You will appreciate the safety feature of anti-lock brakes, and memory settings make for a more comfortable ride. Plus, enjoy these notable features that are included in this vehicle: air conditioning, power door locks, power windows, power steering, cruise control, power mirrors, an alarm system, an AM/FM stereo with a CD player. If safety is a high priority, rest assured knowing that these top safety components are included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control, daytime running lights. Let us put you in the driver's seat today. Call or click to contact us.